The basics of the muscular system. Structure and function. The muscular system is essential for physical movements and maintaining balance in the human body. Understanding muscle function helps comprehend their role in bodily activities and overall well-being. Let's explore the muscular system's components. The muscular system comprises various muscles with distinct structures and functions, classified into three main types: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles attach to bones, enabling voluntary movements like walking. Cardiac muscles in the heart pump blood, and smooth muscles control internal organs. Key components of the muscular system include muscle fibers, tendons, and fascia, which support and facilitate muscle function and movement. Muscle contraction involves the sliding filament theory, ATP's role, and nerve impulses initiating contraction, essential for muscle movement. The muscular system's functions include movement, posture, stability, and heat production, maintaining body temperature and aiding in various physical activities. For more detailed information about the muscular system, visit Health Tips by SHAH.